Hey, today I'm going to show you everything on how to use Google AI Studio from beginner to pro through this masterclass. So watch till the end to know everything. Now here, the first thing is how to access Google AI Studio. What you do, open your Chrome here. Here, let me put it on landscape, for clear view. Now here, what you do now is to type this on the search box here. You can see what I type here. You can see it. https://aistudio.google.com. You can see it here. Now clear this out here and send it. You can leave it if you want, but for clear understanding, and here send it. Now here wait for the AI. Now here we are inside the Google AI Studio. Don't forget to follow the sign up process because I've already opened it. Now here inside Google AI Studio, here I will show you how every feature work. Now here you can see playground, and here you can slide back all the playground feature. Here you will see all the things you have done with Google AI Studio. Here you can see you can also delete anyone by clicking on it like this, and then click on this three line icon on the side here, and then you can share, rename, you can anyone you want to do with it. Here you can delete it, just click on delete and then click here, delete it. You can see it is deleted. Now here you can also see here by sliding down, you can also see this feature, build dashboard, document, and also here you can see what is new. Now here under what is new is here you can see the latest feature Google have launched on Google AI Studio. Here by clicking here you can see it here. You can see explore and new, but you can see all the latest feature here, even the latest one, explore and co-develop apps. You can see here. Now here also you can also see get API key and also settings. Here you can set up each feature like the theme, the submit prompt key, abundant notification, which is how you want to be receiving notification from Gemini. Here you can enable it or disable it. Also you can view your status, you can see terms and conditions. Now here also you can find your profile in that section. Now here also you can also see here on Google AI Studio. Here you can also see the latest product and apps developed by Google. Here you can see Gemini AI apps. Also you can see Google anti-gravity here, which you can use to create many things. Now here also you can see here by going here and then clicking on playground here, you can see here the latest features. Here by clicking this icon here to compress the playground, here you can see image generation, here you can see video generation. Now here also you can also write a prompt and send it here by typing it here, and then type the prompt you want, type the what you want or the prompt you want. Let me type something and show you an example. Now here you can see what I type here. You can type it and then send it. You can write a prompt and then send it here. Also here you can also connect your API key, increase your Gemini productivity here by clicking this API key, create an API key, create a project API, or import the API key here. And also you can also remove it by cancelling here this icon. Also here you can also find tools like structured output. Here you can find the tool, you can turn it on by clicking here. Code execution, here you can turn it on by clicking here. Just show this toggle on, and is to make Google AI Studio to search the web in order to give you a result. Also you can also paste URL content for Google AI Studio in order to analyze it and give you a result based on the link you paste here, the URL link you paste here. And also before using it you must turn this toggle on. Make sure this toggle is on. Now here you can remove it by clicking this, by tapping here to remove it. Now here also you can also remove this feature here, grounding with Google AI Studio, by clicking here in order to remove it. You can also re-add it by clicking here and then click here in order to re-add it. This is just for Google AI Studio to search the web. This is what this feature does. Here you can remove it. Let me add it. And here also you can upload any file by clicking this plus icon here to upload any file you want, like drive, upload files, record audio, camera, anything you want to upload. Here is where you can upload it. Now here also you can remove it by tapping here, by clicking on the screen. Now here also you can send what you type by clicking this R control here. Now here is the result of what you type. You can see I asked it what is Google AI Studio. You can see here is a free web-based prototype environment and integrated development environment, which is IDE, created by Google. You can see here, it is designed to let developers, creators, and business easy experiment with and build an application using Google AI generative model without needing to write complex setup code. Here you can turn new chat by clicking this plus icon here. You turn new chat here and start a new chat with Google AI. You can also delete the chat here by clicking this icon here to delete the chat. Anyone here you can see and share the chat here. Now here also you can also turn invisible by clicking this camera here, this icon here, to make everything temporary chat, which is also private. Here you can see it. And here also, here on the side here is where you can find running settings. Get Google AI Studio API code here, run setting, get Google API code here. You can get it on Go, you can get it on Python, you can get it on transcript, you can get it on JavaScript. You can see here you can get the code of it, the API code of it here. You can also remove it by clicking here. You can see the API code written. You can download it. See, and here by turning this toggle on here is to include prompt history here in the code which you don't want here. You can copy the API code if you don't want to download it like this. Let me switch to vertical screen here. You can copy it by clicking this copy here to copy it. You can also close it by clicking this close here to close it. Here I will click on copy. If you want to copy it based on the one you selected here, you can see, and here you can remove it entirely by clicking the close, or just click on this cancel icon here to close it entirely. Now here also you can find system instruction. Here on system instruction is where you can add, tell it what to do, what you wanted the model to be doing, like give it an instruction, which I have do tutorial on. And then here also you can see here this feature. You can also set up the temperature, the media resolution, the thinking level, structure output, execution code, and here as many as you want here. Also you can find advanced settings here. This feature is only accessed if you know what you are doing here. You can just leave it if you don't know what to set up here. Like the safety settings, the add stop sequence, and output length here, you can leave it if you don't know what to set here. You can close it by clicking this upper icon here to close it. Now how to build AI powered application in Google AI Studio here by clicking this icon here and then slide down here to reach build. Here click on build, this icon here, click on it. Now here it will bring you here, build your idea with Gemini. You can see here. Now here what you do now is to describe how you want the application to be here by typing the prompt here. And also one good thing about Google AI Studio is that it will help you select the latest model. Here you can see you are using the latest model, which is Gemini 3.1. Now here remove this, the advanced settings. Now here what you do now is to describe your prompt, describe it in a prompt here. Here let me type it. Now this is what I type here. I'm asking it to create an app that can convert image to SVG code here. You can see how I describe it. This is a long application. So now what you do after typing your prompt describing how you want the application to be, here what you do now is to click on build. You can also use your voice by clicking this voice icon. You can upload the sample how you want the app to be here by clicking this icon here. What you do is just click on build here and then wait for it. As you can see, it is sending it. Now wait for it to build. This will take minutes in order for it to build based on the type of application you are building here. Now here is the application. You can see the application here. Let me put it on vertical screen for you to see the complete of the application here. Now you can see how the application look here. This application is just to convert image into SVG code. Let me show you an example how powerful this application is, which is powered by AI. Now here let me use this image here and then click on done. Now here you can see the image here. Let me convert it into SVG code here. You can see. Now here is the result. Now here you can just copy the code. This is just the application. I'm showing you how powerful the application is. You can see the SVG code. Now here also you can launch the application inside Google AI Studio by clicking on publish here, and then follow the setup process here. Here you will see application. Here they says your apps here. Here is where you find your application here. You can see the one I just created here. You can then use it anytime you want. If you want to use, if you don't want to launch it yet, by clicking on it here. Also you can also add more something, ask more question, or add more something by typing it here for the AI to increase the feature of the application here if you want. And here let's go back by clicking here, back to start. Now here also, in order to improve your prompt, make sure before typing any prompt you add edit. If he's editing, you add create. If you want, if he's creating, you add. You can see how I describe it here. Edit, and then describe what you want to create or want to edit, or upload a picture and then ask it to edit. Make sure you start with edit if you want to edit. Also here, if you want to create video, ask it create video, comma. As you see how I write the edit here, make sure you put it like that. In order to improve your results, make sure you put it here. Make sure you describe what you want to ask accurately by starting with the term edit, create, write. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I'll do so to reply you. Now check out the playlist on the screen, and in order to know everything on Google AI Studio and Gemini. Now see you on the playlist, and have a nice day. Peace.